I'm making vodka pasta, so that's why we have this. There's so much out there that the world has to offer. Thinking like, I don't owe anyone anything. Hi, wow. I haven't filmed a video, like had this set up in a minute, I feel like. I was just gonna like do my normal night routine, but I thought I would show you guys what I do. Honestly, this isn't normal usually. I don't know, I'm trying to adult, I guess. I know you'd be like, what the f do you mean by trying to adult? Like, you've been doing this for a couple years now, you should like get into it. But adulting doesn't really get easier as much as it seems like it probably should. It doesn't, because obviously you learn to overcome the problems you have in the moment, but like more problems just come as you grow up. So adulting just never gets easier. I'm also living alone now for the first time in a minute because Alyssa moved out and Anila's back in Canada. So it's been different. And also I've just been in a rut because my routine has been off because boys. You know, as much as an independent I am, boys, that's all I gotta say. So I just went grocery shopping. I was gonna make my regular like chicken and vegetables, but I was like, kind of want to make something fancy schmancy dancy. So tonight we're gonna make some pasta. I got this bag from Ralph's. This is a cute peaches one. Nope, this is oranges. I literally bought this because I thought it was peaches. Never mind. I have a lot that I need to do, but I don't want to do. I've been listening to audiobooks. I mean, that's probably better than just going on my phone, but that's what I've been up to. I don't really know what this video is. It's literally just gonna be you following me along at night. Hopefully this will give you some sense of motivation to do something. I don't know. Actually, I don't know why that would. I'm making vodka pasta, so that's why we have this. Honestly, if you're struggling with being an adult or you're scared of adulting, everyone goes through it. And I hope this video can make it a little less scary for you. As much as I claim my house is never clean, I don't know if y'all feel that way, but that's definitely how I feel. Like, I literally am always cleaning, but it's never actually clean because every day I make a new mess. Dude is on a bike. Okay, so we're gonna make some spicy fusilli. For this, we're gonna need some onion and garlic. What's been on my mind lately? Let me dig deep. So lately, no, don't tell me I can't make it because I don't even have fresh garlic. I didn't realize that this was old. Shit. You know what? Maybe this is for another day. Fuck, I was so excited. God damn it, I was literally just at the grocery store. What am I gonna eat tonight? I feel like that was the most like adulting shit ever. What has been on my mind lately? So lately I've been crying a lot. Why? I don't know. I'm really trying to find myself lately. I'm kind of on like a self-help journey. You know, people say that they have a spiritual awakening. Yeah, well, I'm trying to make that happen. My friend group has also gotten a lot smaller, and it's not because I hate people or anything. It's just that I think I want to be a lot more mindful of who I'm hanging out with, and I feel like my happiness would be higher if I created genuine connections with a small group of people instead of a lot, instead of just like half-assed connections with people. Honestly, I'm just grabbing whatever food I have and I'm gonna try to make something out of it. But yeah, that's what I've been trying to do lately, and I don't know, I kind of love it. In order for that to happen, I'm like literally just starting it though, so I'm not like too into it yet, but I've also been reading books. Right now I'm reading a fictional book, but I'm almost done. I only have a couple chapters left, so I'm gonna finish that tonight. I'm just trying to do things that used to make me happy when I was a kid, I guess, because I feel like when you grow up, you kind of forget about all of your hobbies, and then you just get so consumed by your work and making money, and like, it's just like making money becomes an addiction once you start making money. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, literally everyone goes through it. It's like once you get a job, you want to make more money, you want to chase that. But I feel like, how am I ever gonna be happy if that's all I'm chasing? You know what I mean? Because eventually you're never gonna stop. Like, that's something that never stops. You're never gonna be satisfied, because I know people are always like, oh, like if you're rich, you're gonna be happy, you know what I mean? But it's like, you never think that you have enough money because there's more things that you could always buy. And I'm like, okay, I don't want to live like that, because eventually, there's no eventually. You're just never gonna be happy, you know what I mean? So I'm trying to do things that made me happy when I was a kid, because when I was a kid, there was no concept of money, you know what I mean? Like, when I was a kid, I was just living my life as a kid and not worrying about all that stuff, and I kind of miss it, you know? And like, I think the nostalgia kind of just does something, I don't know. So I have been reading books lately, because I used to read books all the time. I'm trying to play instruments more, but that one's a little bit tough because, I don't know, I'm really insecure about my music. Playing games, I used to do that all the time as a kid. I think one that I would really love to play is Minecraft, but I haven't gotten to that yet. What else? I'm drawing. I literally went out and I bought a sketchbook and some watercolors, so hopefully that'll be a good one. But you know what I mean? Like, think about what used to make you happy as a kid, because I'm sure you haven't thought about this in a while. What did you used to do all the time as a kid? Was it sports? Like, what was it? Because I think doing those things can like trigger something in your brain that you didn't even realize could happen to make you happy. Because I feel like there's such little things that bring me like genuine happiness these days, and I know that sounds so depressing, but it's because like you just get caught up in life, you know what I mean? And especially since like everything just feels like with hustle culture and shit, everything feels so competitive now, you know? And I'm just genuinely trying to do things for myself now, you know what I mean? And it sounds so stupid, like the way I'm talking right now, but I'm also just thinking like I don't owe anyone anything. But also I've been trying to be a nicer person lately. I don't know, those are like two totally different things, but I'm just like thinking of things in my head right now. Things are just like coming to my head. Oh. I feel like right now I don't know who I am at all, and I'm really trying to find myself. But if anything, I know myself more than I ever have before. But in that process, it's just really confusing, and I feel so weird vlogging because like I don't know who I am, you know what I mean? Like I feel like my personality is changing every 0.2 seconds, and I'm like, do I want to present that? Like, you know, if I don't even know who I am, why would you want to watch? So if I'm gonna be fully honest, it's been really hard to vlog and do YouTube lately because I don't know who I am and who I'm presenting to you. And I know I inspire people, which is really scary, and that sounded so cocky. I know I inspire people, but like no, like I know so many people are watching me, which is so scary because like y'all get to see me grow up, and like right now I feel like I'm going through so much change, and I feel like I'm a new person every vlog, you know what I mean? And like if you're really confused and like you don't really know what I'm talking about, like just think about it. Like you are the only person that can make things happen in your life, and if you want it to happen, then you can make it happen. It's just a matter of how much you want it, you know? And I think I'm having that realization right now where I'm like, Mai, you're being lazy. If you really wanted something, you could get it. I want to be that person that people like being around, you know what I mean? And obviously one day I want a relationship and stuff like that, and right now I'm definitely not ready, but I'm like, why am I not ready? Like, what is it? And it's because I am not evolved as a person yet. Like, I need to get to know myself better, and that's gonna come with time, but like, that doesn't mean you can't speed up the process, if that makes any sense. Like, anything you want, you can do. And I think I've just been realizing that a lot lately, is that I can't just be waiting on the world to like do things for me. Like if I want it, I need to go get it, you know? And eventually people find themselves. Some people it takes them till like 30 to find themselves, but if you really put in the work to do things such as meditate, read books, learn about spirituality, and like find yourself, that could come so much easier, and you'll genuinely just be so much happier because you know who you are. And one of the biggest reasons why people aren't happy is because they compare themselves to other people and they care so much about what other people think. I already think I don't really care that much about what people think, but you can always be better. I feel like the way I talk, I sound so stupid, but in my brain I know what I'm saying, but I'm just really bad at communicating my thoughts. Life's weird, man. I'm just like, manifestation is real, and if you don't believe in manifestation, get into it. That's all I gotta say. Because you are holding yourself back from so much. There's so much out there that the world has to offer, and if you don't believe in manifestation, girl, you're crazy. Learn about it. I used to hear YouTubers talk about manifestation, and I'd be like, you're stupid. Get it away from me. Like, I don't care. But then I realized that like I was manifesting without even realizing it. It's just like those big terms and like how people talked about it scared me, because I was like, what is this like voodoo shit? But if you just think about it, like, no, actually, once you start doing it and you see it happen, you're gonna become addicted to it. That's when I started being like, oh my god, like this shit is real. I've just been rambling for like 20 minutes. This is probably like the most boring YouTube video you've ever watched of me, but I guess this is one that you can watch when you're like going to sleep, you know what I mean? But I've heard so many people talk about manifestation and especially meditation. Meditation, I've heard so many people talk about it, and like I'm like, oh yeah, I know it's good for me, but I just would never do it. And I was speaking with somebody and they said that they meditated, and I don't know why, but that just like, it was the kicker for me. I was like, wait, I gotta do that. I finally did the other night, and yesterday night, and it scared me, okay? I woke up from my meditation because I accidentally fell asleep. I woke up from it and I went to the bathroom and I literally spooked myself because I was like, holy fuck, I'm so in the moment right now that it scares me. Like, I was scared. It's crazy. Like, try it tonight. Search up like a guided meditation on YouTube and try it. I literally fucking scared myself because I was so in the moment. All I gotta say is the world is yours. Anyways, today I'm doing a night routine. I don't give a flying about how unauthentic these tacos are. I wasn't even supposed to make tacos, okay? If I wanted to make tacos, I would have like gone all out. But this is like all I had. I didn't have any like garlic or onion to like make anything else. So like this is all I could think about, okay? And I had some avocados that were going bad, so I put them on top. Whatever. I just want to listen to my book and eat my tacos, okay? Tastes bomb as fuck anyways. Okay, I'm gonna listen to my book.
Mouth, I stumble backward toward the couch.
Listening to my book. I didn't realize I left this running. I'm stupid. Sterling. Oh my god, this looks so dumb. It's messy.
Hi, baby. Your food? Yes. Eat it.
Yeah. Okay, so I totally rearranged this corner. Not done yet, but I'm just getting a random kick of inspiration to decorate my house. So here we are. I don't have a lot of decorations, but I'm gonna go online shopping before I go to sleep and figure this out because I've been meaning to decorate my house for a while and it's getting a little bit better, but like I need to put full force into this hoe. To be honest, I've just been here ranting on my Instagram story, but I just bought another audiobook because I think Ugly Love, the book that I just read, was okay. It was like 6.5 out of 10, and I feel like maybe I would like more of a book that makes me learn, but I want to do like one fiction and then one like psychology book or something like that, and then one fiction and just switch back and forth because I don't want to be all serious and at all times, you know. But I'm gonna read the 48 Laws of Power. I have the physical book, so I'm gonna read while I sleep.
Hey Pham, tryna be your man. Me talking to you is God's plan. No, I don't want him a nice man. Take you around the world, just grab him my right hand.